Yo, what's up everybody? So just came home for a lunch break and noticed that my wheels got delivered. So I'll show you guys what we got here and I'll try to fit them on the front, make sure they fit and all that stuff before I got to get going. Okay, so I already cut the box open because nobody wants to wait to see through that, right? And bada bing, bada boom. What we got in here? Oh yeah. Look at that. Damn. Hell yeah. Those look sweet. What do you think, Pesci? You like those wheels, bro? Alright. Them old raggedy, nasty wheels. Got a 19? That'll work. Alright, Pesci. You might want to move. Yeah, that's probably why it acts like crap. Stupid Milwaukee crap. Alright. Out with the nerdy, dorky, not cool at all, old factory steel wheel. Boom. And in with the new badass, cool, sweet, shiny chrome, super light. Holy crap, that's really light. Let's bring that right there. I like that. It's very light and shiny. Damn, that's cool looking. Looks like the old school Kraggers. That's why I always like these wheels. You know, it's like a new modern style. Well, not new, but you know, they've been around forever, but almost a Kragger looking wheel. So anyway, that's why I like them. Let's try to fit that on there real quick. Oh, please fit. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they fit. Looking good too, boy. I like that. That's a good looking wheel right there. Fits perfectly. I just need some lug nuts now. Alright, let's really look her over. That one's actually nice. I don't see anything wrong with that one. Let's check the other lip on the inside. Yeah, that one looks good there. Alright, so one good, one bad. It's kind of to be expected with how quality is checked these days, so I'm not really shocked. But overall, I'm very happy with the wheels. They fit, which is most important, and they look good, which is secondly most important. So anyways, I got to get back to work. There's the wheels. I'm excited. Little let down that one's got a little dent in it, but like I said, that's kind of how things go, to be expected. So it is what it is. And I'll get with Speedway and get that one shipped back and get another one out here. It only took them like a week to ship it, so probably have another one here by the end of the week before tires get here anyway. So pretty cool. What do you think, bro? Huh? You like them big chrome wheels? Them Twankies, huh? Them big Twankies? Yeah. That tire, look at that rim's bigger than you, boss. Huh? Alright. Well, I gotta get back to work, you guys. So, hope you enjoyed. See you when we get back. Bye now.